Okay, mega Oasis song, and I can't believe I've still not put this on my channel, so I apologise. Now, really distinctive strum here with your E minor 7. Try and do it without your little finger, so you're hitting the high E string. I want you to try that rhythm. Take your first finger away. This is your intro. And I'll stop and break it down in a sec. So you have this rhythm of down, down, up, up, down, down. E minor 7. You take your first finger away. We call that A7 sus 4. We go over to what looks like a C add 9 with 4 fingers, but you want to bring these 2 fingers up a string each. That actually gives you a chord called a C9, which you hear in the intro, and then to G, back to A7 sus 4, and then over to C add 9. Now that'd also then be your verse of sitting on my own, chewing on a 1,000 million miles from home. Normal C add 9, and then a G hit me somewhere right between the eyes. Now it then does all that again. And then when he sings Hardly Even Knew Your Name, we just hang on the C add 9 once more. Then you got your chorus. Now that is a little busier, but if we looked at it manually to start with, that's G, D, E minor 7, C add 9. And in this song, try and use that C add 9 without your little finger. That high E string ringing, it just sounds a little better for me. I never keep it absolutely exact to the track, so I'm just doing it, based on what I feel personally works well. So if you like 4-finger C add 9 or 4-finger G, the A7 sus 4, or people I've seen play it as an A sus 4, but I just love that high E string ringing out, and I'm pretty certain on the track we're getting pretty close to that. Now your chorus. G, and then on that D, and then D sus 4, I like to hammer on and then come off, E minor 7, and then coming up on that C add 9, I wanna talk tonight, until the morning light, about how you saved my life. Now here, so there's quite a lot to go on there, and it's really, really distinctive. You can also hear, I believe, another guitar doing this. Now, if you want to tie that in with the E minor 7, you could maybe get a base of the rhythm of down, down, up, down, down, but then try and add with your plectrum. Now, I'm not saying you have to do that, but it's quite effective and gives you a nod or more of a distinctive sound to the intro, okay? Again, as I've started saying on a lot of my latest videos, I also offer this personal WhatsApp coaching from my room in Halifax. If you feel that you would like some one-to-one tuition with me, it's my job to get you motivated, to give you some targets and some goals, and set you some tasks to be a better guitar player. If you are interested in me personally coaching you on the guitar, hit the number on the screen, WhatsApp me, coach, and I'll walk you through some details. I'll even give you a call on the phone and we can chat about your needs, about what it is that you are wanting to improve on the guitar, and I will be your coach and get you through that, and I promise I will make you a better guitar player. And please, here on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And let me know if there's any other Oasis songs that I have missed on this channel for me to teach. See you again soon for another vid.